today's video, I'm going to be doing how to decorate your room for the fall and Halloween season. So I showed you how to make a bunch of DIYs like some garlands and some collages and just some decor to add around your room. So if you want to watch that, keep on watching and I'll get into the video. This is also a collab, so check the description box to subscribe to these channels. So for my first idea, I got Dollar Tree Halloween decor and I arranged it on my shelf. So for my second idea, I printed out pictures and I made a collage. Mine isn't fall themed, but you could always make yours fall themed or Halloween themed. So for my third idea, I made a tassel garland. To make this, I took fall themed tissue paper. I folded the tissue paper in half and then I cut a bunch of strips. Then I unfolded it and I rolled it up. Then I rolled it into a tassel shape, and after that I tied the tassel shapes to a string and hung it on my wall. So for my next idea, I put pine cones in my room. So for my fifth idea, I hung fall themed wall art onto my wall. So for my sixth idea, I got Halloween lights from Walmart and I hung them above my bed. So for my next idea, I put a pumpkin decor in my room. So for my last idea, I got a Halloween garland and I hung it above my desk. Okay, so that was the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, you should like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on my Twitter and Instagram. Add me on Snapchat because I add every single person back. And my goal of the year is to hit 20,000 subscribers. I know I'm pretty far away from that goal, but it can maybe happen if every single person watching this subscribes. So subscribe to help me make that happen. I think that's all I have to say, so goodbye!